Proposition 7, birds of paradise galore. In my description of Proposition 1, I introduced the notion of a bird of paradise. I said that legal languages could be compared to a bird of paradise because of their beauty, because of their intensity, because of their complexity. But when we look at the different fields of law that we cover, we quickly discover that we're not really talking about a monolithic, uniform bird of paradise, but we are talking about many different parts of the language group of a legal language. It makes a big difference whether you're talking about contract law, constitutional law, tax law, administrative law, or the law relating to trademarks. Now, all of these subgroups, all of these subcategories constitute individual birds of paradise. And that's why I conclude by saying we don't really have a single bird of paradise, but we have birds of paradise galore. In our course books, the practitioner's guides on applied comparative law and language, we cover 19 fields of law. So when you're interested in German constitutional law, English consumer protection law, American civil procedures, you will get a long way. You will be seeing a lot of those beautiful birds of paradise. And I invite you to take a look at as many of those birds of paradise as you can. If you want to learn more, click on the link below or scan the QR code.